thank you guys for watching today. If you want to check out more about Cruise Customs flags, I would highly recommend clicking on their website link below. I'll also link in their Instagram so that you can follow along with what they're doing. They're doing some pretty cool stuff, and they produce multiple different products. Not only do they produce different sizes of these bourbon barrel flags, but they're also customizable. And of course, you can get one of these candles on their website. Well, thanks again, and I hope you guys have a great day.